One of my biggest passions in the past was I was a martial arts instructor. I did it for about 20 years. I taught Taekwondo, Kumdo, and I also was a Muay Thai fighter. Hi, I'm Bryan Carnahan, a residential sales professional with Fire and Ice. My main priority is to help customers design a comfort custom system for their home. I believe that my most important job is to make sure that people's homes are their safe, healthy zone. We can't control the outside world, but we can help them control the environment, the healthiness of their homes, and the comfort of their homes. That's what I love about my job. I don't have time off, but when I do have time off, I like to spend it with my family. I have a wife and 3 young children, so we play all the time. Anytime I'm away from work, I'm with my family. First thing I do when I arrive to a call is first make sure my car is parked in a place that is visible to the client so they know I'm arriving. The second thing I do is what I call gear up, which is putting on our safety gloves, our masks. I also make sure that I look around the house to make sure there is nothing there that is in harm for me or the customer. The best place to learn about Fire and Ice and our processes is our website's Learning Center. It is full of great information that will help navigate through this entire process. We make sure that we do the same thing the right way every time, from my sales presentation to you, to the installation, to the service afterwards. We want to make sure that it's done as perfectly as we possibly can, and we'll back that up every single time.